During the past few months, we've tried and tested a handful of outdoor gears and accessories, including a few hiking backpacks. However, on some of our shorter hiking trips, we realized that carrying around a bulky backpack was not really necessary. So for us, one of the primary reasons to invest in a Daypack is the convenience and portability it offers. Unlike larger backpacks or handbags, Daypacks are specifically designed to be lightweight and easy to carry, so we recently got this Daypack from VPBAGE, and it has become our go-to companion for our past few days' hikes. In today's video, we'll be sharing our hiking experience with this backpack along with its pros and cons, so sit tight because we're about to check out what this backpack has to offer and provide you with an honest review of our time spent with it. First off, when we picked up this backpack, we couldn't help but notice how incredibly light this is. Like seriously, it feels like we're holding nothing when it's empty. The polyester material it's made of feels super sturdy, and we can tell it'll keep our stuff dry even in wet conditions. From the design aspect, this backpack has a very minimal look to it, which we personally love. It's not overly flashy, but it's definitely got a modern and stylish vibe. In terms of storage space, this backpack offers 15 liters, which is perfect for our day hiking gear. And as you can see, it's a single compartment backpack, so we had no problem storing our day hiking gear in our backpack. Oh, did we mention how lightweight this thing is? It weighs less than half a pound. We mean, seriously, we hardly even feel it on our hands. Plus, one feature that really impressed us is that it's foldable and comes with its own carrying case. We can simply fold it up and stash it away without any hassle. Talk about convenience. Its two-way zippers feel pretty sturdy and open up smoothly, so no annoying snagging or struggling there. These shoulder straps are made from breathable mesh material that seems quite practical for hot summer hikes. On top of that, these adjustable straps made the backpack suitable for a wide range of users. The chest buckle of the backpack has a whistle. Now, we don't know about you, but we find that to be pretty handy. If we ever get separated from our group, the whistle could be a real lifesaver. Now, moving on to the pockets, this backpack has a multi-purpose pocket design which we found to be quite useful. It's good for storing our phones, keys, AirPods, and other small gadgets securely. It even has side pockets on both sides, so we can easily access our water bottles or any other essentials on the go. We could easily carry our maps and other essential items inside the front pocket, keeping them within easy reach whenever we needed them. And let's not forget the anti-theft pocket, which was an absolute lifesaver for keeping our valuables safe and secure during our hikes. Now, if we talk about our hiking experience with this backpack, we could easily pack everything on our day-long hikes. We took snack items, clothing, a laptop for remote work, and some other ultralight backpacking gear. We've had enough space for all the essentials like an ultralight stove and whatnot. One thing that really stood out to us was the breathable mesh straps. They made carrying the backpack easier even during those hot summer hikes. We did not have to worry about sweating excessively thanks to the ventilation, plus the adjustable straps allowed us to customize the fit for optimal carrying comfort. It's always great to have that kind of flexibility. Now, here's another handy feature we found to be incredibly useful. Remember that built-in whistle we mentioned earlier? Well, it really came in handy in situations where we got separated from our hiking mates. Instead of shouting out loud, all we had to do was blow the whistle. It instantly let our companions know our position, ensuring a quick and easy reunion. Let's talk about the practical side pockets. We utilized them for essentials like our water bottle and umbrella, and having those side pockets readily accessible was so convenient. It allowed us to grab whatever we needed without having to rummage through the main compartment, and plus it added an extra layer of organization to our hiking gear setup. While this backpack offers great lightweight functionality, we do have a suggestion. Since it doesn't come with paddings, there were situations where we felt that having some padding would enhance the overall experience. It could have provided extra cushioning and comfort, especially during longer hikes. So that's pretty much everything about this compact backpack. It's small, it's handy, and it packs in everything we need for our day hikes. Overall, our experience with this backpack has been quite good. I mean, sure, there were a few areas where we felt there could be some room for improvement as we mentioned earlier, but apart from those minor points, we believe it was a worthwhile investment. It certainly served its purpose well and met our expectations for a Daypack. What do you think about this VPBAGE hiking backpack? Let us know in the comment section down below, and to know more about outdoor products, reviews and buying guides, you can visit our website at goouttdoorzone.com.